国际新闻来看，风台意大利亚伫美国的佛罗里达州造成大风大雨，有2个人死亡哦。有真侪所在拢淹水，水泵线嘛真严重。伫佛罗里达跟乔治亚州哦，计共已经有超过46万户失电。这个风台跟减弱，真做是热带风暴咯。这嘛是往乔治亚州移动，有4个州嘛受到影响。
强风阁带来大水雨，意大利亚以3级风台强度，伫美国佛罗里达州墨西哥湾烟花登陆，这是当地125年来登陆的上强风台。大部分地区真侪所在淹水关度破纪录，佛州西部的帕斯科郡水淹的关度1.5公尺，部分民众因为淹水无法度脱离。
2 times out of 20 years, out of 22 years or something, maybe 2, maybe 3, but nothing. This is probably the highest, but Charlie I had on the second, when the tire was going out, on the second tire going out, it got pretty high.
暴雨带来做大水，佛州国家附近的乔治亚州，拢总有超过46万户停电。南北卡罗来纳州原还有超过13万户停电。意大利亚减弱做热带风暴了后，转向乔治亚州过去。不过已经伫佛州造成至少2个人死亡。当局警告，任何趁机会抢劫的行为，拢会追究法律责任。
Accordingly, the search and rescue operations have been ongoing from the moment that the storm passed in the hardest hit areas, and they've probably gone through about 70% of the areas that they need to be able to check for people that are in distress.
在经历夏威夷毛伊岛的压毁了后，美国总统拜登表示，意大利亚风台是气候危机的上新的例。
I don't think anybody can deny the impact of the climate crisis anymore. Just look around. Historic floods, historic floods. More intense droughts, extreme heat, significant wildfires have caused significant damage.
意大利亚风台历史真侪郡紧急撤离，有达到几落百万的居民被迫离开家园。佛州州长德桑提斯表示，会向联邦提出重大灾难声明的请求，通得到联邦的赞助。公视新闻陈伟仁编译。